If you're trying to watch Apple TV with your phone, this is how you can do it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen, and you can see right here, we actually have this option in the top left to click on this plus sign. When you click on this, you can simply add a control. Adding a control, you can simply search for remote, and once you've actually searched for remote, you can see we can simply click on it and add it. Once you've actually added it, I've already added it twice to my screen. You can see right here, you basically want to click on the remote feature, and it'll basically open you to this page like so, where in the top middle of the screen you can click on the Apple TV. You can simply click on the find option and it will automatically connect to that TV, assuming you're connected to the same Wi-Fi internet and the Bluetooth is on your phone, and it'll basically take a few seconds to connect, and you can simply navigate your remote just like I'm doing so here with the TV, just like that. It's easy as that, and then you can just use the remote from your phone. To turn on your TV, you might actually have to use the physical remote, or you can actually just swipe down from the top right corner to always access the remote like so, and then click on the feature just on the screen.